Design of human resource distance education system based on Internet of Things technology. Abstract. When the traditional distance education system deals with parallel tasks, there are too many network packets running in the system, which leads to the slow running of the system. This paper designs a human resource distance education system based on the Internet of Things technology. In the hardware part, the structure of teaching processor is designed to form the circuit structure of human resource data acquisition and balance the data acquisition. In the software part, the Internet of Things technology is used to build the system architecture. Control the actual number of network packets, construct the function logic, and finally realize the function of human resources remote teaching. In order to prepare the software and hardware environment of the teaching system, two kinds of traditional teaching systems and the designed teaching system are applied to carry out experiments. The results show that the designed distance teaching system has the least number of network packets and the fastest running speed. Keywords: Internet of Things technology, human resources, distance education system, network package. 1. Introduction. With the sustained and rapid development of the social economy, today's world has entered the era of rapid progress of information technology. The strong impact of information technology on traditional education has made great changes in the current education work in terms of teaching methods and teaching compositions. To do a good job of education modernization and improve the quality of teaching work, we need to enhance the informatization of teaching process. According to the relevant investigation, the focus of distance education support by physical network technology is to deal with the interaction among teaching work, resource reserve, and quality management. With the strong innovation of the current computer network technology, especially the realization of the personalized interaction function led by the physical network technology, the operation efficiency and service quality of the emerging system, which provides various technical services for education work, have been rapidly improved, and the effect of teaching interaction between teachers and students in the network situation is more significant. They are in line with people's expectations of the development of modern education. In related research, reference proposed a problem-solving path with different difficulty levels in various disciplines by supplementing the existing learning checking algorithm. The data set obtained by solving the parts of the learning problem, and the optimal problem-solving path through the recurrent neural network is suggested through the past dataset. Reference proposed a method of dynamically combining adaptive online learning courses based on learner activities, learning goals, and instructional design strategies using Q-learning algorithm. The latter is based on the learner's behavior and based on the learner's positive or negative feedback. It provides the necessary course content to achieve the learning goal. Deal with practical problems. Most schools adopt the traditional borrowing and cramming teaching methods, and pay little attention to arousing students' interest and motivation in human resource management, which makes them unable to express themselves freely. Some students are also mechanical as reciting texts in the process of human resource management. Others lack fluency and accuracy in their expressions because of their lack of confidence, and still others are unable to use the human resource theories they have learned. These invalid expressions are often repeated mechanically in the classroom and are not corrected in a timely manner. Therefore, in this study, the design of the social information-oriented human resources situation teaching model to improve students' learning ability and the application of knowledge. As shown in Figure 3, the left side of MCU is mainly connected with power supply circuit, and the right side is connected with clock circuit and reset circuit. In the actual work of MCU, the time of accessing the memory from ROM is defined as a machine cycle, and the internal oscillator of MCU is used to store the access data of a machine cycle. The XTAL1 and XTAL2 ports of the oscillator are used as the input-output ports of the oscillator. The XTAL1 port of the oscillator is connected with a quartz crystal by internal and external clock mode. Then a capacitor is carried on the outside to form a parallel resonance circuit, which makes the internal oscillation circuit produce self-exact oscillation. Finally, the connection diagram of the clock circuit is drawn, as shown in Figure 4. In order to prevent the single-chip microcomputer from being disturbed by the environment when it's running, the teaching system will fail. The reset circuit of the single-chip microcomputer system is adjusted to the level switch reset mode. So that the teaching system is in the short-circuit state when the power is turned on, and the reset pin is connected to the high level. When the power supply is stable, the reset pin is grounded through resistance, so that the capacitor can oscillate the DC level. The reset circuit of MCU is designed as shown in Figure 5. The power circuit uses USB to directly provide 20V DC in order to ensure that the program reading starts from the internal storage. Connect the EA pin in the figure above to the high level to complete the design of the system processor. Shot 2.2 Structure design of the human resource data acquisition circuit. In order to ensure the smooth operation of the virtual science simulated by human resource, a driving circuit is designed, which adopts the single power circuit structure as shown in Figure 6. According to the structure shown in Figure 6, when the power switch in the circuit is on, the supply voltage VCC helps the current of winning inductance L rise. When the current rises to the threshold, the system will be limited by the resistance R and control the current in a safe range in order to ensure the control of the controller by a single circuit. A power amplifier chip is connected to the circuit in Figure 6. The chip selects ULN2003 as the driving amplifier. Configures its pins and sets pins 1 to 6 as the input pins to control the instruction of the teaching system. Pin 9 to 16 is output pin, external processor and power supply part. Pin 7 is COM pin, and control pin 8 is ground. After the pin function is configured, a freewheeling is built into the chip, and the internal structure of the chip is shown in Figure 7. As shown in the internal structure shown in Figure 7, when the freewheeling diode chip output pin output load level. When the diode is not conducting, the output chip pin outputs high level. The high level output value is too large, leading to the teaching system rate. The hardware design of human resource simulation teaching system is complete. 3. Software design of human resource distance education system. Using Internet of Things technology to build system architecture. In the use of Internet of Things technology to build a distance learning system, using BS mode, using browser on direct access mode. In the front end, using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other technologies to build a platform in which HTML, CSS to achieve the display of the page, JavaScript to achieve the front-end business logic, including front-end data verification, and at the same time We use Node as our server-side language to quickly realize the construction of network services and application platform.